Hello and welcome. This is Mark from Bayti Real Estate here. I'm delighted to bring to the market this one-of-a-kind office for lease in the Boulevard Plaza, one of the most desired and sought-after commercial buildings in the whole of Dubai. Located in downtown Dubai, the office is well positioned with easy access to the Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa. This office comes fully furnished with high quality furniture and is fitted with glass partitions. This office will be vacant in November and is definitely a must-see. You do have a Burj view from the CEO's office, and the full size of the office is 3,373 square foot. It also has a private pantry and has fantastic amenities on your doorstep. If you'd like to call us and discuss more about this property, or if you would like to book in a viewing, please feel free to contact me on the details provided. Thank you.